Hello my dear friends, welcome back to an exciting video. Today I'm going to unboxing some products from Temu. Do you know Temu? Temu is the cheapest option in the market, right? So let's get started. Before that, if you are still not installed the Temu application, you can install the application from the link provided in the video description. So let's see how is the quality and the product. So I'm just opening this cover. So let's see how is the product and the quality. So first of all, this one, this is this for camera. I will show you. The second one, this is the card reader, so I can use card in mobile and laptop. And this one is a clip for camera that I was really needed. So first of all, I'm going to open this one. This is coming with some tools, and this is it. So this is the item. This is the quality is very good. I feel quality is not cheaper. This is, I need for my tripod, I will clip this one, and I can easily remove, and this one it will be fixed to camera, and this one I can move and install easily. This is mini focus. This is I needed for the camera, and the second item is this one, 2-slot USB card reader. This one I can use in mobile, also I can use in computer. Yeah. So this one I can simply use in multi-purpose, like in laptop. Also I can use for mobile phone. And the third product is something like to clean my camera, and this is it was coming together like it, shake and clean, and this is small cloth is coming together from Chinese. So that's it guys, and these are all products I recently purchased from Temu, and it was my first order with Temu. I will see you in next video. Bye bye.